Hello guys, my name is Abdulwasiu from Digital Money. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a working method on how to create an approved Fiverr account in 2024. Let's get started with the video. So in this video, I'm not going to be using Nigeria account. I'm from Nigeria. So I noticed Fiverr does not normally approve most of the Africa accounts. Example like Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, so on and so forth. So I noticed using foreign accounts can be the best. So I normally use foreign accounts. I don't use Nigeria account anymore. So if you are interested in using foreign account, because mostly foreign account used to get approved than Nigeria account or any Africa account. So if you want to use foreign account, you are going to be needing foreign USA number or any country you want to use the foreign account. So for you to get the USA number, I will drop my WhatsApp number in the description below, so you'll be able to contact me. Then I will tell you how you get the foreign USA number if you want to use USA account, because mostly I do use USA accounts than any other country. USA account works perfectly for me. So let's get started into this video. So in this video, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you open another user. You open another user on your system. So if you don't know how to open another user, a new user on your system, you go to YouTube and search for how to open a new user. Then you are going to see a bunch of videos on how to open a new user. I have already opened my own user on my system. So as you can see, this is a new user on my system. So let's move on. So the first thing you need to do after opening a new user on your system is you need to download Firefox browser or Brave browser. Either you download Firefox or Brave browser. So either of the two work perfect, but in this tutorial, I'm going to be using Brave browser. Then you click on it. After clicking on your Brave browser, then after installing your Brave browser on your new user, you need to install a extension. You need to install an extension called Windscribe. So as we all know, Windscribe is a VPN. We use to bypass the location. So you need to set your location to USA for you to sell on Fiverr, for you to use foreign accounts. So you need to install the Windscribe before moving on. Then you can just search for Windscribe web store. Then it's going to take you to where you'll be able to install your Windscribe on your Brave browser. So make sure you install the extension, not on the browser. Install the extension. Then you add it. Add extension. Let's wait for it to load. It is loading. It has finished loading. Then you pin it. You pin it to the taskbar. When you pin it, you can see your Windscribe extension here. Then you click on it. If you don't have a Windscribe login, you can just get started and create a Windscribe login. It is very easy to create a Windscribe login, but I already have login. I already have a login for my Windscribe, so I will just input my login. If you already have your login, just go to login and input your login details. Then you log in. So I have logged into my Winscribe. Then you set your location to your preferred USA. So in Winscribe, we only have 3 USA locations which are free. So you'll be able to use any of the 3 locations. So I'll be using USA East. Then you click on it. You scroll down. Any location on Winscribe you see star like this, it is paid. But any location you see love like this, it is free. So I'm going to be using Chicago. Chicago is free. Then I have set my location to USA. After setting your location to USA, down you can now move on. Then you move on, type in Fiverr on your Brave browser or Firefox. Make sure your location is on before typing fiverr.com. Then type Fiverr. After typing Fiverr, just go fiverr.com, click on the first link. Click on the first link on Google. Then it will take you to Fiverr dashboard. So this Fiverr dashboard, what we need to do is to join. So we want to create a new account and approved Fiverr account. Make sure you are following these steps step by step. Make sure you don't miss any steps. So what we are going to do, you can see create a new account. We already have an account. So sign in. If you already have an account, you can sign in, but we do not have an account. We want to create a new account. So what we need to do, you can continue with Google, continue with email. The best I will advise you to do is to continue with email. So you need to put your email here. So I'm going to input my email. Then you input your email. After input your email, you input your password as well. Then you click on join. You save your password. After input your password, you save in your password. Then it will bring this interface. Get your profile started. Then choose a username. You need to choose a username. We are using foreign account, USA account. We are not using Nigeria account. So we are going to be using a USA name. We are not going to be using Nigeria name. So before creating your account, you might want to search for your preferred USA name you love to use. So I'll be using a name I've already searched for. So make sure you search for a good USA name that will make you look professional and real, not spammy. Which is I have Scott Edison. Scott Edison. You can see I introduced Scott Edison to just a simple username without being spammy. Then you click on create my account. After clicking on creating my account, you can see confirm your email. You need to confirm your email, which is you go to your Gmail account and confirm your email. You input the code Fiverr sent to your Gmail account. Okay, I have gotten the code using my phone, which is 30604. 8 5 2. Then after inputting the code, automatically it will take you. Okay, you have entered the wrong code, so I need to re-enter the code. Okay, I did mistake here, which is 6 0 8 5 2. Okay, you can see after inputting the code, it will take you to this place. You can see this place. Either you can see either become a seller or buyer. So you want to become a seller, not a buyer. Then you click on become a seller. Click on next. Then you skip. If you want to choose any of these, you can choose, but I'm not choosing. I'm skipping it. Then you can see, great, you are almost there. Here is what next. Then create your seller profile. Click on create your seller profile. After clicking on create your seller profile, it will take you to this interface, which is become a seller. So what you need to do at this point is you need to go to your profile, click on this icon up here by the left, sorry, by your right. You are going to see this icon, click on it. Then you will see profile, click on your profile. So what we are going to be doing here, we are going to set up our profile. We are going to be setting up our profile. Okay, this is our profile. So what you need here, we'll be needing a logo to put here. So to approve this account, you need a logo. First of all, you design a logo. You can design a logo in any of your preferred platforms. So I can now impute our logo here. Click on the profile icon. Then you go to download. You click on this. You look at the logo. This is the logo we downloaded from Canva. Then you click on it. You open. It is loading. As you can see, this is our logo. This is our logo we designed from Canva. You can see it. Then next, we are going to put in our description, our service description. Make sure you set up the profile, the Fiverr profile according to the service you wish to set. Make sure you set up the Fiverr profile according to the service you want to sell. So I'll be setting up this profile for, actually, I do say website design on Fiverr. So I'm setting up this profile for website design. I have input our description. So next, you move on to your language. Then you can see here English basic. You change your language to fluent. Then you update. You can just leave English. Then you go to skills. So in these skills, make sure you put your website design skills, which is I render Shopify store, Shopify store design, expert. Make sure you put it on expert. Then you add. You can just add one skills for the start. We are trying to approve this account. So after approving the account successfully, so you'll be able to edit all these things yourself to the real service you want to sell. But for now, we are just putting all this to be able to approve the account. So education. So country of college/university, you put USA. We are creating USA account, not Nigeria or any other Africa account. So USA, college name, University, University of University of Canada. So can just input any university here. University of Canada. I'm using University of Canada. So for the title, after inputting the university, the title, you can choose certificate, or you can choose either certificate or BSc. So let me use BSc. Then major, you can just use computer science. Computer science. Then year of graduation. Make sure you don't use a closer years. You can use from anything 2011 to 2018, but make sure you don't use 2021 or 22 for the year of graduation. So I'll be using 2013. So add. So the next step is certification. So they are asking us, where do we collect our certificate as a website designer? So which is certification or award. So certificate we receive here is, we receive a website design certificate, website design. So they are asking us certified from where? Udemy. Udemy is an online platform where you can learn any courses online. So I'll be inputting Udemy. I learn my website design from Udemy. Then yes, 2015. Then add. So I'm through with this section. Then you scroll up, you go to become a seller. After inputting all this section, then you go to become a seller. Then after clicking on becoming a seller, it will take you to this interface. You can see this interface, it will take you to this interface. Then you click on continue. Click on continue again. Continue. Now it will take you to this place that says personal info. Then you need to input your name. Scott Edison. So you can see Fiverr removed our profile image because the image I use on Canva, a lot of people are using it. That is why. So if you use any profile image and Fiverr removed it, it's because a lot of people are using the profile image. That's why the profile image was removed. So we need to input, we need to find another profile image and use it on our gig. So on our profile, sorry. So I'll be using another profile image. Let me choose this. So we are just doing this to approve the account, not so we need to set it up real quick. So Scott Edison. You can just reduce the size, change the background. The reason why I'm changing this background to avoid removing the logo the second time. So changing the background to something else, to green, to look more different. So download. Click on. So make sure you download it. So I have downloaded our logo. I'll go back to our profile, then I'll add the logo. So this is our logo. So I have added the logo to our profile. Then you scroll down. You can see by the left, you see a button said continue. Then you click on it. Then you can see personal info again, your occupation. Then you need to click select occupation, click on it. So we are going to be using graphics and design. So the occupation we are going to be using is graphics, and you can see it's graphics and design. Then from years, so it's asking us, when have you been doing your design, your website design work? When do you start? Then 2015. years till date 2023. So I'm going to be selecting some category here, so that related to your service. Make sure you select category that are related to your service, which is, you can see down here, website design related to my service. Then look for some other ones. So look for some other ones. Logo design. I can leave those two. Then I scroll down. You can see the button again here, continue. Click on continue. As you can see, we have get to the important part of the video. You can see we are here, account security, where we'll be able to input your phone number, add phone number. So here you are not going to be using your country phone number, you are going to be using USA phone number. So if you know you want to create this USA account and you need the USA number, I'll drop my WhatsApp number in the description below, so you'll be able to message me. Then you purchase the USA number. So this USA number is only for verification purpose. So if I give you the USA number, it's going to be valid for just 20 to 30 seconds. So you make sure you input the number very fast. As you can see, I have added my phone number. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get a useful content like this. So you click on finish. Then we are going to move to a stage where we are going to create our gig. Click on done to take you to where you create your gig. So the service we are going to be using to create our gig, to approve our account, the service we are going to be using is AI service. We're going to be using AI service to approve our account. Make sure you use the same thing I input here. I will generate AI images using stable diffusion. So this is the short title we are going to be using. I will generate AI images using stable diffusion. So as you can see, perfect. Then category, you are going to select graphics and design and AI artist. That's the category and subcategory we are going to be selecting. The suggested category down here, graphics, the first one, which is graphics and design, then AI artist. So make sure you don't do any mistake here. Then service type, we are going to select service type, which is image generation. So select the main AI engine used. So I'm going to select stable diffusion. So we are using stable diffusion. Select stable diffusion, expertise, click down. You select character design, illustration, then photography. You select 3: character design, illustration, and photography. Then you go down, positive keyword, which is your tag. Then you're going to use AI artist. AI artist, AI image, AI images, AI art. So we are not going to be putting 5 tags. We are going to be using 3 because we are using this to approve the account. So after we get our account approved, we are going to create the gig we want to be selling on our Fiverr account. So we are just using this gig to approve the account. So you go down, save and continue. To take you to where you input your pricing. So we are here. Then what you need to do here, just put a simple pricing. Then you put 2 AI image generation using stable diffusion. Then that's for the basic package. Then the standard package, we are going to use 5 AI image generation using stable diffusion. Then same thing for the premium, we are going to use 8 AI image generation using stable diffusion. Then in the package title, we are going to put in our standard then premium. So you scroll down the delivery time, you put 2 days, 4 days, then 6 days. So you scroll down to the pricing. You make sure you put a very high pricing. The reason why we are going to put a very high pricing is that so for this gig not to get ordered, if you don't put a very high pricing and someone came straight to this gig and ordered the gig, if you don't know how to do the service, it's going to cancel, and cancellation is going to spoil your account. So you need to put a very high price so that nobody will order this gig. So I'm going to put $100, $200 for the standard, then for the premium $300. So nobody will be able to order this gig. We don't want them to order it, we just want to use it to approve our account. Then you deselect all this, you click on save and continue. So you're going to bring us to the description section. So I have input my description, click on save and continue. Take us to the requirements. So the requirements for this service is script. Make sure you just write only script for the requirements. Script. Then you click on add. Click on save and continue. So it will take us to the next section, which is the gallery, where we are going to add the final section. So we are going to add our image. So I have quickly designed my simple gig image. I'm going to be inputting my gig image. As you can see, it's a very simple gig image just to approve this account. So you click on, you tick this box here, you tick it. After ticking it, click on save and continue. So you are going to click, you can see it, are you a USA person? You are going to click no. Don't click yes, I'm a USA. Make sure you click no. You tick no, you can see it's no. Then you tick save. As you can see, then you scroll down, click on publish. We're going to publish our gig. Then you click on continue. So as you can see, finally we have created our gig successfully. As you can see active 1 gig. As you can see our gig. So we have successfully created our gig. So as you can see, this method is a very good working method. So if you like this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for a very more helpful content like this. As you can see, our gig is successfully created without being disapproved. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.